Digital planning can be used to treatment plan using the Smile design tools. Adjust the smile curve to follow the natural curvature of the lower lip. The proportion guide is 70% red proportion, which can be used to check the veneer proportions. Check the width-to-height ratio of veneers or crowns. The ideal ratio for central incisors is typically 80%, with a range of 75% to 85%. Insert customizable reference lines to aid in planning. To calibrate, select two known anatomical points on the patient or model, like the width of a central incisor. Enter the actual distance in the pop-up to calibrate the image. Left-click and drag between any 2 points on the screen to measure distances. Once your digital design is ready, it can be exported for seamless lab communication or used in DTS 3D for designing. To exit the planning screen, press the back button.